Got the package from Louis Vuitton. So inside the paper bag, we have the box, Louis Vuitton box, and we have the envelope, the receipt. And then, so this is the box. It has card, ano ba to? Greeting card. Yung letter. Kung may gusto kang pagbigyan, ganyan. And then, when you open this box, so this is the Louis Vuitton Emily Long Wallet in color Fuchsia Pink. So yan yung button niya, color pink. And then in the inside, color pink din yung laman. And then it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And then pwede kang magpa-hot stamp ng name mo here. Any color, pwede. And up to 3 letters. And then in the inside, ito yung laman niya sa loob. Merong isang pocket here. And then another pocket here. And then dito yung long bills mo. And then it has zipper here. Lalagyan ng coins. And nandito yung QR code and yung barcode. And some tags. And then here sa front naman, sa side, it has 4 card slots. Pero kaya siya up to 8 slots, 2 cards each, kasi maluwag naman siya. And that's it. This is the Emily Long Wallet.